Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of basket in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the line command. From the center point, make a line profile. Okay, close profile here, go to dimension. Now define this height as 200 mm. Okay, this length will be 130 and the bottom will be 100 mm. Okay, so this will be the dimensions. Go to 3D model, take revolve command, select this as axis of rotation and press OK. Now we are going to make the handle profile. So from front it will look like this. So we are going to make this handle profile now. So go to origin, select the XY plane, go to create sketch. As we are going to make the sketch at middle of this profile, so go to view, visual style, change the wireframe. Now go to sketch, take circle command here, make a circle of diameter 100 mm and here go to rectangle command. We are taking 2-point rectangle and make one rectangle profile. Now go to dimension. The center point of this rectangle from bottom will be at a distance of 150 mm and the bottom of this rectangle at 160 mm. Okay, the width of this rectangle will be 350 and the height of 70 mm. Now escape. Now go to line command, make a center line, okay, till this top, okay, and escape. Now select this line, make it construction, take symmetric constraint, select this line, now select the center line. So this will be half this side and half this side. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this midpoint. So this is also constraint. Now go to trim command, trim this extra profile, this bottom, this and this profile will be open now. Now go to dimension, as this dimension has been deleted, so define this again 160 and this also 160. Okay, now this is fully constrained sketch. Escape. Now select the yellow profiles. These are the projected profiles. Make them construction. Go to home. So this will be the final profile. Take the 3D model, take extrude. Now take a symmetric extrude. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now here we will take all and take cut profile. So it will cut the outer profile, this profile and this. So it is going to cut this profile and this profile, and this will be solid will be left. Press OK. So this will be the final profile. Now go to 2D sketch once again. Select XY plane. Now we are going to make the whole profile over here. Now we are going to make this cut. So go to view. Okay, first before making the cut, we will make it a hollow profile. So go to fillet and here take a fillet radius of 20 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, rotate, select this edge and apply. Now take a radius of 10 mm. Go to edge selection and select this bottom. Apply. From front this will look like this. Okay, now escape. Now go to home. Now first we will select the shell command. So select shell. Here we will take a thickness of 5 mm and select this top face. As you can see, it will become a hollow profile now. Press OK. So here this will be a thickness of 5 mm. Okay. Now select the sketch 3, drag this down. Now double click this to activate it. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, take project geometry, project this profile and project this profile. Go to offset, select this and select this. Drag the cursor inside, press enter and take an offset of dimension of 15 mm and escape. Okay. Now take the line command, make line profile over here, here and this. So this will be a closed profile. Now define this, go to dimension, define this height as 10 mm and this width will be by default. Okay. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, here take symmetric, take cut and here we will take all. So it will be a through cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. So this will be grabbing handles to lift the basket. Okay. Now select this edge, take fillet command, take a fillet radius of 5 mm. Okay. Go to edge selection, rotate the view, select this edge, similarly select this edge and this bottom edge. Okay. Rotate the view, select this edge and here also this edge and this edge. Apply. Now take a radius of 2 mm, go to edge selection, zoom out, select this outer edge and select this inner edge. Similarly select this outer edge, okay, inner edge, rotate the view and this outer edge, this inner edge, rotate and this outer edge. Okay, so all the edges we have selected and apply. Exit. Now this will be the complete profile. Now we are going to make this pattern profile over here, this slot profiles. So from here, now we will select the left view, or you can say YZ plane. Go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch again, take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile over here, go to dimension. From this radius, this will be at a height of 3 mm. The width of this rectangle will be 50 and the height will be 10 mm. Okay, now go to line command, make a center line from this point, make a center line till top, or just make a straight line. Escape, select this line, make it construction, go to line dimension, dimension from this line will be 80 mm. Okay, and escape. Now we will make a pattern of this. So go to rectangular pattern, select this complete profile, go to direction 1 and select this line for direction 1. Take a count of 11 and a center to center distance of 12. So this will be the pattern. Press OK. Now go to 3D model and here take revolve command. Select this profile, rotate the view to home, rotate like this. Okay. Go to view, visual style, change to shaded with edges. Now here we will take axis, so we will select the y axis. As you can see, if you take an angle of full angle of 360, so this will make a profile like this. We want a cut here, so from here select angle and we will define angle of 6. So 6 degree will be defined as an angle of cut, and here take symmetric cut. So this will be center line. So 3 degree this side and 3 degree this side. Go to front. So this will be the cut profile. Now press OK. So this will be the profile now. Go to home. Now we want to make a pattern of this. So go to circular pattern. Select revolve to. Go to rotation axis and select Y axis. Okay. Here we will take a count of 36 and press OK. So this will be a final profile. Okay. Now you can define the color. From here I have taken the smooth orange. So I will take that only. Smooth light orange. You can define any color as your requirement. Okay. From here you can define the view, shadow and reflection on. Okay. So you can see the reflection. So this is just for representation. Go to right. So this is the basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D model of basket in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.